everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to delete Revolut account. So first thing you're going to need to do is open the Revolut application and then log in if needed. Once you're here, just tap on the profile at the left corner, and then once you're here, just scroll down and then just tap on account. And in here you can see there's close account at the very bottom. You can tap on that one, and then it will asked you to where are you going. So in here you can close your account, or you can also keep account open. So there's actually no button where you can delete your account, but you can just do close account, and that's basically just the same, and you can just do that. So there you go. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.